Please,
Trevor Howard.
All right, I have before me a plea form that indicates that he's going to be pleading guilty to no contest to the charge of operating while intoxicated, the 93-day offense. Upon his successful plea to that charge, count one would be dismissed. That is the court's full understanding of the agreement.
Correct, Your Honor.
yes, Your Honor.
May I have him sworn?
Raise your right hand. You swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give to the court is the truth, the whole truth.
Sir.
Your name.
Trevor Howard.
It's a no contest plea, Your Honor.
I understand. Sir, this court's understanding that you're pleading no contest to the charge of operating while intoxicated.
Yes, sir.
That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. The court could order community service and any rehabilitative programs the court deems necessary. Could order your vehicle immobilized, could order your vehicle forfeited, could order you to pay the cost of the prosecution as well as the cost of any emergency governmental services. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you understand what a no contest plea is?
Yeah.
Two things about it I have to make sure that you understand. The first thing is that it means that you're not further desirous or wanting to contest this charge. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Second thing you need to understand is that for purposes of sentencing, the court will treat you the same as though you had pled guilty. You understand that? Yes?
Yes, sir.
All right. Basis for the no contest plea?
A lack of recall. He was injured in the act.
Sir, to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
No contest.
Oh, no contest. Sorry.
You want to plead no contest, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand that by pleading no contest, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, sir.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yep.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
Look at paragraph 5. You'll see one on copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as other rights on that form.
Yes, sir.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, sir.
Are you on probation or parole?
Yeah, 15th District Court.
He was
Okay,
sentenced
were
on
you-
Friday. He wasn't at the time.
You were not on probation at the time of this offense?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes, sir.
of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
And because well, I won't ask that. The court has been handed and has been provided Michigan Department of State Police report for their case number 983223. Any objection to the court reviewing that report?
None from the people.
No, Your Honor.
Based upon a review of that report, the court does find that there's a sufficient factual basis in which the court could determine the defendant's guilt of this offense. Sir, I do have to advise you, between the time I accept your plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined in Michigan court rules, the court would no longer be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation, and you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
None from the people.
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Defendant is referred to Von Swartz for alcohol screening and assessment and the victim's impact panel. Sentencing in this matter will be
April 8th at 9 a.m.
April 8, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond with its conditions will continue. Thank you.
Stop at window.
Court recalls case of the people versus Cameria Davis.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook of the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of the state.
Your name?
Gloria Davis.
All right. I have before me a plea form that indicates that she's going to be pleading to an added count 2 of retail fraud in the 3rd degree. That's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court cost. Upon her successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. There is also a sentencing agreement to sentence under HIDA. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
May I have her sworn?
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give is
Yes,
the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
yes.
State your name, please.
Gloria Davis.
All right, ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of retail fraud, third degree. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $500, that would become the maximum fine. You understand that? Yes?
Yes,
All right. Still wish to plead guilty?
yes,
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
guilty.
All right. You understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind?
Yes,
Yes? You have to speak up, young lady.
yes,
All right. You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
yes,
You have any question regarding any of those rights?
no,
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium there. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
yes,
You have to speak up
yes,
so you can hear.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
yes,
Are you on probation or parole?
no,
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead?
no,
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
no,
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
yes,
And also because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
yes,
On the date of October 26, 2025, at the location of 3825 Carpenter Road, Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, what did you do at the Meyer that makes you think that you're guilty?
went in there, grabbed stuff, put it in the bag, and left out with it without buying.
And you, what was the last part you said?
Went out the store without buying.
Okay, you went out the store without paying for it?
Yes,
Is that correct? Okay, you didn't have anybody's permission to do that, did you?
no,
These items that you took to walk out of the store with, these were items that Meyer had offered for sale, correct?
yes,
And the store was open to the public at the time?
yes,
All right. Young lady, if I accept your plea, between the time that I accept your plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined in the Michigan court rules, the court does have to advise you. The court does have to advise you that you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that?
yes,
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
None from the people.
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Defendants referred to probation for pre-sentence investigation and report. Sentencing in this matter will be April 8th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.